description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something that came by way of the Fat Hipster. Check his channel out on YouTube. It's this, and it's from Canada. I guess they do them in other countries, but it's this. What is this? This is the McShaker thing. It's from McDonald's, but you get this, and what you're supposed to do is take your fries, put them in the bag, sprinkle this over it, shake it up, and then you've got seasoned fries. I have fries, but they're not all that great. So I've got the Beast, the air fryer, and I think throwing these fries in here for a minute or two will work. Oops. We'll try it for a minute and see what happens. I've never done this before. It seems logical that it would be maybe not logical, but reasonable that it might work out well. So that's my hope in this. But yeah, we'll do those for a minute. And yeah, my daughter had to go get she had a dental appointment where they didn't do anything but say, oh yeah, you'll come back. We'll have you come back in 10 months. An assessment or a whatever, what have you. But afterwards, she needed to have a lunch before we dropped her off at school, and we went to McDonald's, and she got stuff. I was like, perfect. I can get some fries. I never go to frickin' McDonald's. I'll get some fries, and then it'll be good. So since these are already cooked, I can't imagine that it takes too long in the air fryer to make these like done. I really have no idea. I'm gonna give them. Yeah. I don't know how much more I want to give them. Maybe 30 seconds? I think they're pretty good. I guess I shouldn't have thrown away the thing that they go in, but I guess I can just dish them right into this bag. Kind of a weird deal. I don't really need this anymore. Alright. Yeah, wow. This air fryer needs clean now. So, one bag. And I've got a spatula. Wow, super. Those seem like really nicely done though. That is very, very hot. Yeah, I've never made. Oh wait, did we? I think we made French fries when we first got this thing. Wow, this is like a total pain in the ass to get these out of here. I would use my hand, but you know what happens when one uses their hand on a hot surface, so it might not be the best option. Yeah, usually I make my wife's lunch in this thing. I am going to use my hand. Here I go. This will either be a good idea or a bad one. So far, so good. But yeah, so that was an interesting to-do today. We had to go to the city of Snohomish, which is a place I used to work. And it's a very odd area. It's not a place that I savor. Yeah. Alright. So we got fries in there. And we're going to take this. This is the assaisonment. And we're going to do what you're supposed to do, which is open the assaisonment. That's French. And then we dump this in. And then you take the bag, like that. Wow, it smells really salty. And you do that. Apparently in the UAE they also made a chicken version of this. Alright. Need that. And we will give this a try in a moment. I don't know. Fries are... I have a feeling this is going to be like one of those things like... what do you call them? Kit Kats. I'm not like... I don't like the Japanese Kit Kats. They don't impress me. I like the original ones. I will say I like the original ones, like original flavor Kit Kats, but the ones you get in Asia because they're like way better. Oh, those are pretty good. Okay. So here's what we have. We have a seasoned of French fries. I'm saying that because it says that's a long word. ASSAISONNEMENT. 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 Sorry if you're French. I don't know. Well, let's give this a try. I'm guessing it's on there? It's all right. I mean, it's like I'd rather just have my fries. I don't really like feel that is something to jump around about. It doesn't make me feel happy. It doesn't make me feel sad. It's interesting, but it's not, oh wow, dude, you know. So yeah. Well, thanks again to the Fat Hipster for sending that over. That's weird. It's really weird. So, yeah. Anyways, yeah, there'll be more to come. Have a good one. Bye-bye.